Bowser has kidnapped the first ever Yoshi. Can Mario and Luigi save him? Let's go. Luigi, do you see Bowser got the Yoshi?
Yes, bro.
Wait, I think that's the first ever a Yoshi. We need to go save it right now. But first, we're going to have to get down this mountain. 1-1, mountain climbing down. Come on now, Luigi, let's go. Wah! Oof! Oh, this is not really good for my broken arm. Are you all right, Luigi?
Yeah.
We gotta go to the castle. All right. Wait, do you see that right there? It's a Goomba. Squash it.
Ground pounds. Ooh.
All right, it's gone. So now we're going to go up, and hopefully there's no surprise attacks. Surprise attack! Ow! Do 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 do. Oh, all right, we're back.
Just don't do that. Do shy guy thing to you, bro.
1-2, Bowser's Tower. All right, Luigi. Looks like we're going in. Oh my gosh, goody. Huh. Good thing you got it. Let's get
Let's
get these Koopas. All right, we gotta get in. All right, here's some stairs. Dry bones and hammer bro. Easy. Roar. Bowser, we reached you, so give up because we're going to kick you right now. So be careful. Roar. Roar.
Dang!
Yay, we rescued Yoshi. But Bowser got away. We gotta go get revenge. Come on, Yoshi.
And then
To be continued.